Do you have a larger inboard boat motor that needs maintenance or service before hitting the St. Croix River this season? With large overhead bays, we are able to service large watercrafts. If you're interested, make sure to stop by this week or call to make an appointment with CJ.